Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, one more for the road for Mother's Day. This will be the last video and we are doing this little foot spa basket for mom. So this was a really good seller. I've already sold out of all of these, and then I realized that I had not created a video for this particular gift. So I'm putting that gift set up on this box. I already wrapped the box. You guys have already seen a video where I did the wrapped boxes, and these were so helpful, and those caught the people's eye first. Don't know why, but they really loved the boxes. So that foot spa set came from Citi Trends for $10. The cup came from Dollar General for $3. That candle I made, you guys would see that in my little shorts that I was making the other night. Those were 75 cents from a wholesaler, and I just wrapped them in vinyl and ribbon and made a pretty candle, put glitter on the inside. So that was 75 cents for the candle. And the box, of course, I didn't pay for. The paper that I'm wrapping the box in came from Walmart. And so now I'm just shrink wrapping everything, and this basket sold really well, you guys. I should have made more of them because people's eyes were drawn to these baskets like immediately. And I believe I only made 3 of them because I only bought 3 of those gift sets because 3 was all they had available. So I did clear the shelf, but they only had 3. So now I'm just putting a bow. My bows are getting a little better, you guys. So I'm so grateful for my sis, Birth and Bosses with Felicia, teaching me how to do these bows. So now for the price breakdown. The box was $0. I'm not charging for the box. The wrap that I used to wrap the box was $1. Shrink wrap $1. The bow is going to be $3. As you guys will see in my videos, I'm going to charge more for the handmade bows. The set was $10. The cup was $3, and the candle was actually 75 cents, but with me customizing it, I'm charging $3 for the candle. So $42 is my products times 2 plus 15. We're gonna get $57. So I'm gonna round this up to $60, and this basket sold perfectly at $60. So this is the finished look of this basket. I forgot to mention those little stickers from Dollar Tree, and yeah, this is the finished look for this basket. Like I said, this basket sold kind of immediately. Yeah, they sold right away. So this is a good idea for Mother's Day, just in case you guys want to try something similar. Yeah, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Until next time, stay crafty.